Before you may submit your Spring Enrollment and Completion Collection Report, you will need to enroll your students into the correct course sections. To begin managing enrollments, go to Data Entry and then select Manage Enrollment. Here you will see a list of all currently active courses running in the current school year. Click the Class List Report button to quickly generate a printable class list for a course. Click the graphical icon to view and edit your enrollment data. The Enrollment Details tab offers 3 tools to help you manage your enrollments. To begin adding enrollments, click Enroll Students and choose a sending facility to browse for eligible students. Remember that you may also search for students by UIC, last name, or first name. From the Students list, mark the students you wish to enroll by clicking the button labeled with the subsection you wish to place them into. Close the Enroll Students window, and you will see the marked students now appear on your enrollment list. You can edit your enrollment list by marking an individual student and clicking on the Edit button, altering information in the student row, and then clicking the Update button to save your changes. You may also select multiple records by holding the Control key on your keyboard while clicking, then mass update those enrollments by clicking the Update Enrolled Students button. For late additions or withdrawals, update a student's entry or exit date within the provided fields, then click the Update Dates button. Use the subsection drop-down list to adjust subsection information, then click the Update Subsection button. Similarly, select a grade code from the Grades drop-down list and click the Update Grades button to change a student's course grade. To remove your currently selected enrollments from the class list, click Delete Enrollments. The final button contains your student copy and transfer tools. Select any students you would like to add into another course section, click the Copy Transfer Student button, and then use the drop-down menu to select the class you would like to place those students into. Confirm enter and exit dates, choose a subsection, and then click either the Copy Enrollment or Transfer Enrollment button. As you might expect, copying marked students leaves enrollments in the original class intact. Transferring students will remove their enrollment records from the original class and add them to your selected class. Click on Review Enrollment to learn how to create and print reports that can help you verify your enrollment details.